Hello everyone. In this small video, I am going to solve a simple question of marginal costing. Let's move forward to question. Mr. Rabi, produce and sell 1000 units per month. The following costs are given. Selling price 120, direct wage material 50, direct wages 20, variable overhead 10, fixed overhead that is per month 20,000. With the help of this information, we have to ascertain contribution per unit, total contribution, profit as well as a PV ratio. The formula for ascertaining contribution is selling price minus variable cost. As in question, they have not given a variable cost amount, so we have to ascertain variable cost initially. Variable cost means all the cost which is variable in nature that we have to include, such as direct material plus direct wages plus variable overhead. All these values, right from material till variable overhead. If you add that one, that is, if you simplify, that is 50 plus 20 plus 10, we will be getting 80 rupees. Next thing which we have to do is contribution, which they told us to calculate. Contribution per unit. As initially I have mentioned, contribution per unit formula is selling price minus variable cost. Now, to ascertain that one, what we have to do? Selling price they have given, that is 120 minus 80 rupees, which we have ascertained. If we do that one, we will be getting, that is 120 minus 80 rupees. 40 rupees will be your contribution per unit. Now moving forward to next one. That is total contribution. Also, they have told us to ascertain. Total contribution equal contribution per unit into unit sold, which is, if you simplify this one, we will be getting contribution per unit into unit sold. How to ascertain this one? It's very simple. 40 rupees contribution per unit into unit sold. How many units we have sold? 1000 units. For that one, if you want to do, you can write like this. Unit sold, 1000 units. In Excel, what we have to do? Equal contribution per unit, that is 40 into unit sold. You will be getting amount of 40,000. Next thing which we have to ascertain, which is profit. Profit formula is total contribution minus fixed cost, which is easily we can ascertain. Total contribution minus fixed cost equal total contribution is 40,000 minus fixed cost, that is 20,000, which is 40,000 minus 20,000, that is 20,000 will be your answer. Profit is 20,000 rupees. Lastly, we also have to calculate what? PV ratio, profit to volume ratio. Formula for this one is contribution per unit divided by selling price. Now move forward to this particular thing, which is easily we can ascertain this one equal contribution per unit, which is 40 divided by selling price, that is 120. If we get this one, we will be getting equal 40 by 120 into 100. That is 33%. I hope you have learned this particular solution. I have used this particular formula so that this will help you to understand properly. Thank you.